Hello children, this is SRK Maths Concepts. Today we are discussing foot of the perpendicular image and some problems on this. Now first we will discuss foot of the perpendicular. See, foot of the perpendicular. Let P x1 comma y1 be any point and L ax plus by plus c equals 0 be any line. P is not on L. Now a perpendicular drawn from P to L, it touches at Q h comma k, then Q is called foot of the perpendicular to P with respect to L. That means take a line L which is ax plus by plus c equals 0 and a point P x1 y1 not on L. Somewhere from P to L draw one perpendicular. The perpendicular touches L at Q h comma k. Then this Q h comma k is called foot of the perpendicular of P with respect to L. Q h comma k is called foot of the perpendicular of P x1 comma y1 with respect to L. Now we will discuss how to calculate this h and k. See, slope of the line L, ax plus by plus c equals 0. Slope means minus x coefficient by y coefficient. That's why slope of L is equal to minus a by b. And slope of PQ, if 2 points are there, slope means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In that way, k minus y1 by h minus x1. So slope of PQ means k minus y1 by h minus x1. This PQ line and L are perpendicular to each other. So L is perpendicular to PQ. That means product of slopes is equal to minus 1. So slope k minus y1 by h minus x1 and minus a by b is equal to minus 1. These two minus cancel. So h minus x1 transfer this side. A also send that side. What you will get? K minus y1 by b is equal to h minus x1 by a. That is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to t. From this, h is equal to at plus x1 or x1 plus at. K is equal to y1 plus bt. B transfer that side, bt will get. Negative y1 transfer that side, positive y1 will get. In that way, h is equal to x1 plus at and k is equal to y1 plus bt. These 2 points we got. Now, Q lies on L. Q h comma k lies on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So h value right here, y k value also write in this y place. A into x1 plus at plus b into y1 plus bt plus c is equal to 0. So ax1 plus a square t by1 plus b square t plus c is equal to 0. Now ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to these two terms transferred right side, take common t. So minus t into a square plus b square. From this, t is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c minus right this side a square plus b square, transfer here. This you take it as 2. So before also we derived one equation, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to t. This is 1 and this is 2. This is also t, this is also t. Eliminate t from 1 and 2. Eliminate t from 1 and 2. What you will get? H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the formula to find the foot of the perpendicular to any point with respect to any line. So children, what to understand? What is the foot of the perpendicular of point P x1 comma y1 with respect to a line ax plus by plus c equals 0 means h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So this is the formula to calculate the foot of the perpendicular. Now we will discuss a problem on this. Find foot of perpendicular of minus 1 comma 3 with respect to 5x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. So find the foot of the perpendicular of minus 1 comma 3 with respect to 5x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. 5x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. So this point, take it as x1 y1. This is A, B, C. Let QH comma KB foot of perpendicular. Then formula what? H minus x1 by A 5 is equal to k minus y1 3 by B means minus 1 is equal to minus ax1, in place of x write minus 1, minus 5 minus 3 minus 18 by a square plus b square. A square means 5 square, b square means minus 1 square, 5 square plus minus 1 whole square. This is equal to minus, say 5 minus say 8 minus 26 minus of minus plus 26 by 25 plus 1 totally 1. So h is equal to h plus 1 is equal to 5, k minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Transfer that 5. H is equal to 4 and k is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. So foot of perpendicular 4 comma 2. So like this problem given, how to find foot means use formula h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Using that you can get foot of the perpendicular very easy. In the same way we will derive now what is image and how to calculate image. take a line L is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 from P x1 comma y1 any point. Draw a perpendicular from P to L and suppose this is Q. Extend this perpendicular PQ until M. See, P x1 comma y1 be any point not on L. And Q is foot of perpendicular. M is a point such that PQ is equal to QM. From given point P, draw a perpendicular to L, it touches at Q, then Q is called foot of the perpendicular. Now PQ, how much is their length? Same length extend from here to here, QM. So M is a point such that PQ is equal to QM, then M is called image of P with respect to L. Then M is called image of P with respect to L. Okay children, so P x1 y1 one given point and ax plus by plus c equals 0 is a given line. This point P is not on L. So from P, draw a perpendicular to L, it touches at Q. Now PQ length how much is there? Extend this PQ until M such that PQ distance how much is there? QM also same. Q is foot of perpendicular, M is a point such that PQ is equal to QM, then M is called image of P with respect to L. Now we will derive how to calculate this image. See. Let M is equal to H comma K. Now slope of L is equal to minus A by B slope of PM is equal to PM K minus Y1 by H minus X1. PM is perpendicular to L. PM is perpendicular to L. Therefore, product of the slopes minus A by B into K minus Y1 by H minus X1 is equal to minus 1. These two cancel. From this, H minus X1 by A is equal to K minus Y1 by B is equal to some T. Let us take T. This is 1. And midpoint of PM midpoint of PM is equal to midpoint of PM is equal to Q. Q is equal to x1 plus h by 2 and y1 plus k by 2. So from here only you can write from 1, this is 2, from 1 and 2, q is equal to x1 plus h. H means h is equal to at plus x1. So x1 plus at by 2 and y1 plus k. From here k means bt plus y1. y1 plus bt by 2, that means 2x1 plus at by 2, 2y1 plus bt by 2. So what we got now? Q point we got. Q lies on L. That we will write. Once again, what we calculated here, slope of L means minus a by b, and slope of PM, difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Like that we got k minus y1 by h minus x1. This PM line and Q are L are perpendicular to each other. That's why product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. These two cancel. Now from this what we can write, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Let us take it is equal to t. And midpoint of PM, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, using that formula we got this. From 1 and 2, q I am writing as x1 plus h. H means at plus x1, that means x1 plus at by 2 same, and y1 plus k means y1 plus bt by 2. So from this what we got, x1 plus x1, 2x1 plus at by 2, 2y1 plus bt by 2. Like that we got point q. Now q lies on L. So a into 2x1 plus at by 2 plus b into 2y1 plus bt by 2 plus c is equal to 0. So 2ax1 plus a square t, 2by1 plus b square t plus 2c is equal to 0. So 2ax1, 2by1, 2c. From this 2 common take, ax1 plus by1 plus c. This a square t and b square t transfer that side. Take t common, minus t times a square plus b square. So t is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This we take it as 3. So here also t we got, here also t we got. From 1 and 3. From 1 and 3, image means h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So this is the formula to find the image of a point with respect to a given line. So children, once you observe that, what is the difference in formula to derive foot of the perpendicular and image means up to here same only. In image here 2 will come, in foot of the perpendicular 2 won't be. That is the only small difference you have to observe very clearly. Now we will discuss a problem on this. find the image of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to 2x minus 3y plus 5. Find the image of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Just take it as x1 y1 ax plus by plus c and image h comma k, then formula h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 negative 2 by b minus 3 equals to minus 2 into ax1. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 into minus 2 plus c by a square plus b square, 2 square plus 3 square, 9. This is equal to minus 2 into 2 plus 5, 7, minus of minus plus 6, 13 by 13, these two cancel, minus 2. So h minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2, k plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2. H is equal to minus 4 plus 1, k is equal to 6 minus 2 minus 3 and 4. So what is image? Therefore image is equal to minus 3 comma 4. This is important for JEE exam also. How this question is asking in JEE, through one example I will explain. Okay, so this is how to find image I explained now. How this concept is asking in JEE questions, that I will explain now. One subject. So this is JEE 2021 exam question. The image of 3 comma 5, the image of 3 comma 5 with respect to x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 satisfies option A, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Option B, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square 8 Option C, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 6. And option D, x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 6. Once check the question. The image of 3, 5 with respect to x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 satisfies the following. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 and same it is 8, and here 6, and the last one x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 6. Means they did not ask directly find the image, but what is saying indirectly, the image of this satisfies, means first find image and substitute in this which equation it satisfies. That means directly or indirectly they stressed the concept on image in JEE questions. Okay children, be careful. Now how to find image? x1 y1 a b c h minus x1 by a k minus y1 by b minus 2 times ax1 by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 5, minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 by 2, cancel, this is equal to 1. So h is equal to 1 into 1 plus 3, k is equal to minus 1 plus 5, 4, 4. So image 4, 4. Before problem like on. Substitute here which equation satisfies. Here observe 4 minus 2. 2 square 4. 4 minus 2. 2 square 4. 4 plus 4. 8. So here what is 8? This equation observe. In place of x 4 write 4 minus 2. 2. 2 square 4. Here also 4 minus 2. 2. 2 square 4. 4 plus 4. 8. So what is answer? Correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. So it satisfies. So they did not ask you directly find image, but indirectly after finding image only we will substitute in all equations directly. This gives the right answer. LHS and RHS giving equal answer. So in this way you have to calculate the image and its application. So till now what we discussed, image of a point with respect to a line and foot of the perpendicular of a point with respect to line. Now we will discuss image of a line with respect to another line. Image of a line with respect to another line. Image of a line with respect to another line. Let L1 equal to 0 and L equal to 0 be two lines. See, L is equal to 0. L1 equal to 0. So, L is equal to 0, one line given, L1 is equal to 0, another line given. What we are doing? Image of L1 with respect to L is equal to 0. A comma B be any 2 points on L1 equal to 0. So A and B also 2 points given. What to understand? L is equal to 0, one equation given, L1 is equal to 0, another equation given, and on this L1 2 points A and B also given. So here take point A, here take point B. Now what to calculate? Find the image of A with respect to L, that is A dash, and image of B with respect to L. A dash comma B dash are images of A comma B with respect to L equal to 0. Equation of A dash B dash gives the image of L1 is equal to 0 with respect to L is equal to 0. See children, till now we discussed image of a point like that only. Two lines given, L1 is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. On that L1 only 2 points A and B given. With respect to L, derive the images of A and B. The two are A dash and B dash. Now the equation of A dash B dash gives the image of L1 is equal to 0 with respect to L is equal to 0. Okay children, this is about the image of L. Thank you who are watching. Please subscribe my channel and give me support. Thank you very much. Thank you children. Bye.